Help MiuMiu.
Hello friends, I'm MiuMiu, the cute cat. Right now I really need your help to complete some cool games. Are you ready to be my superheroes? Let's work and have fun together. Let's play Jigsaw puzzle. Show your skills in matching each puzzle piece to form the perfect picture. Great job! I know you can do it! Are you ready for the next exciting game? Let's do it again! There are 3 toy boxes and some toys. All we have to do is tidy up the toys by putting them in the toy box and sorting them by color. Let's get started!
Jigsaw. 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 Bagus. Bagus. Jigsaw. Jigsaw. Bagus.
Fantastic! I'm really impressed with you. Get ready for the next game and give it your best. This time we will play matching color. There are 3 ducks with different colors. Try getting the ducks onto the boat and sorting them by color.
Jigsaw. Jigsaw. Luar biasa. Luar biasa. Luar biasa. Luar biasa. Hebat. Pintar. Hebat. Luar biasa. Luar biasa. Oh. Pintar.
Awesome! You are so smart! Are you ready for the last game? Let's go!
Let's start. Hello. Match the silhouette.
There was a pig who wanted to put toys into the box he was carrying. In the box there is a silhouette. Our job is to help the pig match the toy with its silhouette.
Good job. Great. Nice. Hello. Smart. Well done. Wow. Hello. Wow. Smart. Well done. Good job. Hello. Nice. Great. Smart.
Well done! You are really my superheroes. May I know your name? Please type it in the comments below. If you still want to help me complete the next interesting game, please press the like and subscribe button. I believe we will be the greatest team ever. See you next time. Bye-bye.